Hi, my name is Dr. Surekha Tiwari. I'm a practicing homeopathic doctor and a psychological counselor. I have been in Bangalore for the last 20 years and in the profession for the last 30 years. And I have two clinics, one in ACS layout and one in HSR layout. Sunstroke is a kind of where you are overexposed to the sun. But there's acute radiation outside, acute heat outside, and the internals of the body are not able to maintain their hemostatic function, in which there will be an overheating of the body. Now, the first symptom in which sunstroke we see is cramps. First, as there is headache. Second thing is you'll have cramps in the body. Third thing is extreme feeling of lassitude, extreme feeling of lethargy or body aches. In a few people, we also see people vomiting. Now, out of all these things, you can well release that if the heat of the body is released, then you're good enough. So there is a medicine by the name Natrum carb in homeopathy, which is used for sunstroke. It's almost as specific. Taken in the potency of 30, it helps you. But apart from medicine, again, please make sure that you take a head bath after about half an hour gap of exposure. Drink a lot of water, which is absolutely at room temperature, so that the body can maintain its hemostat. And that particular day, if you can be on a fruit diet, you'll help the ionic balance regain itself in a very short possible time. But sunstroke is very much dealable in homeopathy.